We imagine a world where the customer experience is seamless for auto repair. Where every interaction is effortless.
Hey Jen, Sam here. How can I help you?
Hi, Sam. I just had a warning light pop up, and I think
Every
I remember you told me
detail
last
is
time.
anticipated.
Sure, around now.
Yeah, it looks like last time you were in, we said there was something that we could possibly need to address with your spark plugs. So let's get you in here and make sure everything's good before you go on your launch.
And every customer feels
You'll be
valued.
getting a text alert shortly. We're gonna send Jerry over the car. You'll be able to swap cars with him, so you have a loaner for the rest of the day.
Thank you so much.
This is the future with Tekmetric. A fully connected system designed to redefine how auto repair shops operate and deliver excellence. From streamlined appointment scheduling to real-time updates, Tekmetric empowers shops to work smarter. With integrated payments, transparent pricing, and instant
Actually, it
communication,
was just as we thought. Definitely gonna need to replace the spark plug.
customers stay informed and in control at every step.
And we should have that car back to you in a couple hours.
Sounds great.
In Tekmetric shops, decisions are powered by data. Owners can track progress in real time. Technicians have the tools to succeed, and service writers focused on what matters most. Building trust with customers. It's not just a repair, it's an experience. A seamless, efficient, and customer-first journey
Jen, it's Mike.
that keeps people coming back.
Sure everything was to your satisfaction?
Fantastic.
Good to hear.
With Tekmetric, every moment matters. Every interaction counts.